Hey loves, I'm Naturally Curly and welcome to my channel, and I'm going to show you how I achieved this beautiful flexi rod set that I'm so proud of because it's so simple and easy using these products from a natural hair black owned company called T Hair Secret. I've actually known the owner for a few years and I'm so happy to be sharing these products with you. So I'm starting on already freshly wet hair. I haven't washed it yet. I just kind of wet my hair down because I didn't feel like doing a whole shower scene for y'all. So I'm going to be using her Glorious Growth Cleansing Cream. Um, this is a mild shampoo. It's not a lather shampoo, so you're not going to get any lather from this. But as you will see, as I add it to my hair, it does add that shine. It is a cleansing shampoo, so you will feel it's more hydrating than a normal shampoo, where a shampoo can be very stripping. And the more I've gotten into learning about the differences, the different types of shampoos, co-washes, and just how important co-washing is for textured hair, I like shampoos that are just not harsh. If you're looking for something that's more of a clarifying shampoo, where you need more of a you're trying to get rid of the buildup on your scalp, then you can try her Aloe Apple Cider Rinse. That's really good for that. So depending on how much hair you have, you can, start small or up. I like to layer my hair in products. So I'm just shampooing it and getting it all into my hair and massaging it into. I really liked how this product felt on my hair. It just felt so good. So as you can see how good my hair looks after using the cleansing shampoo, the next product I'm going to be using is her Glorious Growth Strengthening Mask, which is a protein treatment. It is designed to make your hair feel smoother, stronger without weighing your hair down. The product is very creamy and thick. I like to use, with products like these, I like to sit under a dryer because I feel the heat absorbs the product into your hair a lot better and you get the full benefits of it. I love a good protein treatment. Y'all know how I feel about protein treatments. You lose protein every single day, so you should at least be doing a protein treatment at least once a month. I do them now because my hair is a lot darker. I don't want to overload my hair with protein, so now I only do it twice a month. I used to do it probably 3 times a month, or I'll use mainly a cholesterol treatment. So I'm getting that protein as much as I need because I have heavy amounts of color in my hair, and y'all know I like to blow dry my hair. So because I like to blow dry my hair, I do my protein treatments at least twice a month because that is still heat in my hair. No matter how you cut it, you slice it. So this product did not leave my hair feeling any kind of way. My hair felt really good because I know some protein treatments can make your hair feel dry. This product did not do that. My hair felt really good and really soft, as you can see. And you can see all the different textures in my hair. So as my leave-in, I'm going to use the Quench Hydrating Spray, which is a daily hydrating mist. It's for just to daily soften and moisturize your hair. You can use it as much as you need it. It's very lightweight. I'm using this before I blow out my hair because I like to have that extra moisture in my hair. And when I'm using this particular type of dryer, I like how my hair feels when it has more moisture in it versus just dry. It can be you can feel kind of like it's breaking or it's just fragile. So this product was really good at adding that more extra moisture that I needed into my hair. So I'm going to blow out my hair, and I'm just adding a little bit more of the product to my ends, brushing it through, making sure it's distributed throughout my hair. Um, I'm just using this Rev hair dryer. It's like a heatless blow dryer, but it does have a warm setting on if you need it. And I'm just going to go ahead and get my hair ready to style my flexi rods because I do like doing my flexi rods on stretched hair. I just like length. And I haven't did this style like this in a long time because my hair just wasn't long enough to do it. I noticed that when my hair is shorter, is the certain curls look different, shorter versus on longer hair. That's just how it is. So I'm doing it now, and you can still try it though to see, what you get. But it's still just a little technique that I like to do when I'm being lazy with my hair and I want it to look a certain kind of way. And this is what I'm about to get into. I'm also just going to go ahead and show you the difference in my shrinkage from like one side to the other side. It is crazy. I'm just so happy to be finally seeing growth. Now she does have a hair growth vitamin. It's a gummy. I tasted it actually yesterday, and it's, well, no, I tasted it this morning. Look at me lying. I tasted it this morning before I edited the video. It tastes really good. Now, I can't say too much about it. I'm not finna try to sell a product that I haven't used long enough. But I would say, go on her page, talk to her. She's very, cool. She'll talk to you about the benefits of it and the difference. You can even see her story. She's a beautiful story. I feel like it's not my story to share, though. So I'm going to be using the Daily Cream as my styler. It is a moisturizing cream. You can use this product daily. It's lightweight as well. A little goes a long way, though, for those of us who have finer hair, because it's very easy for thick creams to weigh our hair down. So when you're doing this flexi rod set, just wrap your hair around the ends at the bottom, then just rotate going up like a windmill. If you need to secure your ends, just use a little bit of edge control, and that will help to keep it secured around the ends. This product added some shine to my hair. It smelled so good, and I was shocked that I was able to even get these results using a cream, because normally cream style, some certain cream products I'm always wary of because they tend to be very heavy, or because they're so heavy the hairstyle just does not come out right. You can use this cream on wet or dry hair. All these products are handmade. She put a lot of time into her ingredients for her own story. So I hope you look into her and check her out. I really loved how these products made my hair feel. Now, my fine hair ladies, do you see what is going on? Now, let me show you, baby. Let me show you how to separate and fluff your curls. Now, you just go into each section and you just pull your hair apart. You're going to start to see like how everything starts to come together. And a lot of things, the thing about density is that it really is how much hair you have. Because I have fine hair, it always looks like, because I have a lot of strands, it always looks like at times that I just have this thick hair, but I don't. My hair is very fine, but because of my density, I have so much hair, like so much hair strands, that it's easier for me to pull apart my hair and give you a more of a thicker, fuller illusion, especially with how I separate. I like to separate to get about as much, maybe 3 or 4, even 5 pieces to pull apart of strands of hair per section. And then I like to use a serum or a hair oil. You can use whichever ones. Honestly, didn't use anything on my hair because at this point, because the product was so moisturizing, I was scared that an oil or a hair serum would weigh my hair down. I always say don't touch your hair. I'm saying now, don't touch your hair unless you have like oil or product on your hand. But my hair felt really, really moisturized. So I just felt like the oil or the serum would just weigh my hair down. So I'm just going to pick my hair out. So you already know this is the finished look. I will be doing a giveaway of a travel size kit of her line on Instagram, so you can also check out my Instagram for the giveaway. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will leave everything I use in the description box below, her website, as well as the link to my Instagram for the giveaway. I hope you check out these products. Thank you so much, T Secrets. Thank you, girl, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for the support for all these years, and I hope you try her products. She's truly amazing, and they're really great. Bye.